Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Hotwav W11. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and scroll down. Now click on Delete your Google account and now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and you have to check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. And now your account is removed, so let's open, for example, Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in into your Google account. And here you have to enter your email address. And then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And then scroll down and click Accept. And now, as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.